Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashlyn. Today I have another Lululemon haul, just a bunch of staple pieces for spring, summer. So if you're interested in seeing what I got and you want to see what it looks like on, then just keep on watching. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this in my last haul. It was one of those stragglers that came a little bit later, but this is the Swiftly Tech Racerback Tank 2.0 in the race length, and it's in the color orange soda. It's this neon orange bright pop of color that I think is awesome for spring and summer. It's just such a nice color, and I've never tried these Swiftly tanks before. I don't actually even own a Swiftly short sleeve or long sleeve, so I just figured I'd pick this up. It's really great because it does have that silverescent technology, which helps with odor control and preventing bacteria from growing so you won't stink. Great for the hot weather. It does have like sort of a mesh sort of sweat wicking feel. It has added elastane to help improve stretch and shape retention, slim fit, race length, which means it's not riding up and it's not too long. I actually like that it's cropped. It's the perfect length for me. And 100% of the polyester in this product is recycled. So this is size 6 and it retails for 58 Canadian dollars. Next, I have the Court Rival High-Rise skirt. This is the long version in white, and this is also in size 6. These are really cool. The waistband is elasticated, so it'll give you some nice hold. It is double layered for the skirt, so there's some good coverage there. It's really like flowy, very pretty. This is made with the Luxtreme fabric liner that has mesh panels for ventilation and is sweat wicking and 4-way stretch with a cool, smooth feel. Added lycra fiber for stretch and shape retention. Dual entry pocket in the liner holds a tennis ball and your phone. High-rise 4-inch liner length, and it's made for like on the trails, on the court, playing tennis. Yeah, you can really do whatever in this. You could work out even if you wanted to, or you could just wear it around casually for spring. So the liner is essentially like this inside. It's a short with a pocket. Oh, it's cool. What they mean by the dual entry is that a ball can be like underneath in this pocket, but then there's also another pocket this way that it doesn't go all the way through, where you could put your phone. And then there's also little like rubbery kind of bits around the thigh area so that the short doesn't ride up your leg. And it has the dual pocket on both sides. Plus there's also a little, what's it called? Little slit right here so that you could put like your wired earphones or something through there so that it can go up your short and through the waistband and not like lifting the skirt, if that makes sense. So that's a really cool feature. I think this is really cute. It has the logo on the back left of the skirt as well. And yeah, I think it's really pretty. It also comes in a normal length, so it's not as long if you want something a little bit shorter. Next, I have the Align High-Rise Pant in the 28-inch length. This is the full length. Oh, by the way, the skirt retails for, I can't remember how much the skirt retails for, but I'll link everything down below. It doesn't say on the tag for some reason. But anyways, the Align High-Rise Pant, this retails for $98 Canadian. This is in size 6, high-rise 28-inch length, and it's made with the buttery soft Nulu fabric, so just a staple piece. I have so many Align leggings in all sorts of colors and lengths, but this is in the true navy color, and it's just a classic. And last but not least, I picked up the Groove Pant in the super high-rise flare Nulu fabric pant. This is my new favorite. This is in the shade bronze green. So I recently just talked about the black pair that I got. I got it hemmed free at the Lululemon store. I will have to do that again for these guys because, as you can see in the try on clip, it's way too long for me. It's in a 32.5-inch length. So I usually get that cut to around 29 or 28 or around there, just so that it's longer than my typical leggings and it doesn't drag on the floor. But this has a back drop-in pocket right here to store keys or something like that. It does have the logo on the back. It has some nice stitching detailing at the back, which is really flattering. And of course it's made with the buttery soft Nulu fabric, which is the same as the Align pants that I just showed you. These are just fantastic. I absolutely love them. I think that this color would be really nice for springtime. It's just a nice neutral, but it's also kind of bright, so it's like a pop of color. I'm trying to get away from black. But yeah, so that is my new favorite. I'll be wearing this a lot. And that's also it for this haul. It was just a few things, but I wanted to share with you. I will link everything down below. Let me know what you're picking up this season from Lululemon. I know that more shoes are dropping really soon, which is very exciting. I will definitely be picking up the slides and reviewing them for you. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like hauls, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.